How to prep for your salary negotiation in 60 seconds. Step 1, remember how awesome you are. If you don't know that, who else will? Step 2, prepare. Track 3 of your top successes from the last year. Write them down and then quantify. Dollar signs, percentages, metrics are really important so that you have that data to take into the conversation. Step 3, research your market value. Dr. Google, of course, talk to your friends, families, and at least one recruiter. And ladies, make sure you talk to at least one white gentleman. The gender pay gap is a thing. Step 4, what's your plan B? If they say no, what does this mean for you? This helps you understand just how much leverage you're going to have during this negotiation. Step 5, you're ready to go. Pump up your favorite beats, get in the zone, and get ready to have an awesome negotiation. Like and subscribe if this has been helpful.